Okay, so let's forget physics for a second. Our mission today is to tackle what feels like an impossible gap in media operations. How do you move a huge uncompressed quality 4K video signal across a standard network without latency just completely destroying the feed?
Yeah, that's the core problem.
We're diving deep into the PureLink VIP-T300-E. It's an advanced 4K HDMI and USB over IP encoder. So let's get the hook right away. What's the immediate mind-blowing number you need to know about this thing?
It's all about speed. I mean, the primary goal here was ultra-low latency, and they absolutely nailed it. We were talking less than 17 milliseconds.
Less than 17.
Less than 17. That's so critical because it means, a control room operator sees a remote feed as if they were standing right there. There's zero perceived lag between what happens and what they see on the screen.
Wow. Okay, that speed is incredible. But moving 4K is one thing. Usually the kind of compression you need to hit that speed it bottlenecks everything else. Can this box really handle the video and all the crucial control data?
And that's what's so fascinating. It's a complete signal transport mechanism. It takes your Ultra HD 4K video, your high-fidelity audio, RS-232, IR, and your full USB keyboard and mouse controls.
All of it.
All of it. And it funnels it through a single 1 gigabit port. Doesn't matter if you're using fiber or just standard CCAT cable. It's convergence in a box.
Okay, let's look at the quality coming out the other side then. With that much speed over just a 1G line, how high can the video fidelity actually go?
It retains excellent quality. You're supporting up to 4K UHD, and this is the important part. 4.4.4 chroma sampling at 30 hertz. The max data rate is around 250 megabits per second, but that 4.4.4 tells you everything you need to know. That's the highest color sampling available. Zero noticeable degradation.
And efficiency often means, sacrificing the sound. That's where high-end installations always feel the pinch. I mean, audio still matters, even in a control center. What kind of formats are we talking?
It's a great question, and the T300E is bit perfect on audio. It supports up to 7.1 LPCM at 192 kilohertz. But if you're using it for high-end media, it also carries all the big immersive formats.
Like ATMOS?
Dolby True HD, DTSC, Master Audio, AGMOS, DTSX, the whole 9 yards. You're not losing any of that high-end experience just because the source is now across the network.
That performance is great for a single link, but the true test of any AV over IP system is its ability to grow.
How scalable is this when you move beyond, just a simple point-to-point extension?
Well, it serves both ends of the spectrum, really. For a simple setup, sure, you get point-to-point extension up to 300 meters with a network switch. Easy. But the real power is in the sheer scale of the matrix switching.
Okay.
You can build systems with up to 999 sources and 65,000 displays.
65,000 displays. I mean, that's a huge claim. How reliable is the network management at that limit? And we know the sources mentioned TAA compliance. Why is that so critical here? Well, that level of scale is aimed squarely at massive government installations or secure corporate campuses. And that's exactly where TAA compliance comes in. It means the hardware is made in approved countries, which is mandatory for most federal and government contracts. It's a non-starter without it.
That makes total sense. Okay, let's circle back to the non-video signals. We mentioned USB. Is that just for a keyboard and mouse, or can you do more? What about power?
No, it's full USB 2.0 functionality. So you can absolutely integrate remote cameras, hard drives, touchscreens. Plus, you still get the legacy controls IR and RS-232 extension.
And power. Does it need a big brick?
And that's the best part. It runs entirely on power over Ethernet, PoE 802.3 AF. It draws less than 5 watts. So that completely minimizes complex power infrastructure.
And finally, there are integrated processing features too, right? To simplify things.
Exactly. Even without an external processor, the unit has built-in video wall processing for up to an 8x8 array. Lets you tile images right out of the box. It also has image rotation 0, 90, 180 degrees, which is a huge benefit for digital signage.
So when you put it all together, what does this actually mean for you, the person designing these systems? We have this extreme speed less than 17 milliseconds coupled with high-fidelity audio and the ability to scale up to tens of thousands of displays, all in one little network appliance.
Right, and it really makes you think. If a single network infrastructure, whether it's CAT or fiber, can now reliably carry high-resolution 4K video, all the latest immersive audio formats, and complete keyboard and mouse control, what does this level of convergence mean for how we design and operate complex control rooms in the future? Do we still need specialized, expensive AV cabling, or does everything just become another network device on the switch?
Yeah.
It's definitely something for you to chew on as you plan your next installation.